Hey, what is going on everybody? Back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the iPhone 17 Pro Max into the OtterBox Defender Series case. So stick around. Welcome back, and let's get straight into it. So first off, this is rather tough to get apart, so I'm going to show you the easiest method that I've found. So first off, you need to grab a credit card or maybe your ID or driver's license, something similar in size. Then make your way to the corner of the case, and as you can see, you can slip the ID or whatever card you're using in between the layer of shock-absorbing silicone and the inner polycarbonate shell. After you've removed a small section, you no longer need the card. Now just make your way around the inner polycarbonate shell, slowly removing it from the outer layer of shock-absorbing silicone. And just a quick heads up, the USB Type-C charging port area does have a port cover that actually goes inside of the USB Type-C charging port to ensure no dust and dirt get in there. So just make sure you've pulled out that port cover before removing the two sections. Next, on the back of the inner polycarbonate shell, you'll see specific locations indicated by arrows where you need to pop the case apart at. Now you can use any item you'd like to get in between the sections, maybe a small flathead screwdriver. However, it is completely possible to just use your fingernail like I'm using here. Once you pop the case apart at those designated sections, you will have access to the interior portion of the case. Next, go ahead and grab the bottom section of the case and go ahead and install the iPhone 17 Pro Max into the bottom section first. Next, snap together the top section of the inner polycarbonate shell. Use the bottom right-hand section of the case where the camera control button is to help align it perfectly and know which side to put where. Now, as you can see, you need to make your way around the entire case, ensuring it's properly snapped together. And lastly, grab the outer layer of shock-absorbing silicone and start off by installing the bottom section first, and then make your way around the top, allowing you to fold that outer layer of shock-absorbing silicone into the groove provided by the inner polycarbonate shell. And that's it. Now your iPhone 17 Pro Max is fully protected, and you don't have to worry about it. Now you can install the screen protector, which I will be making a couple videos on which ones exactly are compatible with this particular case. So if you're interested in that content, and if this video helped you out and was informative in any way, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified of future content. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.